This Tuesday, I'm doing a lecture for Menlo College. It's one of the colleges or universities that has adopted my thinking like a data science methodology. And as I prepare for this lecture, the thing I'm going to focus in on is how do you use these GenAI tools like ChatGPT to not make the process more quick, but make it more insightful. What I'm learning as I work with the students and around this very structured, collaborative, value-centric methodology is that GenAI is a powerful tool for driving innovation. Yeah, it can help with the productivity stuff, but it doesn't really provide that much benefit productivity-wise. But on an innovation side, it unleashes all kinds of ideas. One of my coworkers at Dell, Michael Allen, showed me how he could leverage this concept around the 4 types of AI that I've written about several times, and how he blended that with my thinking like a data scientist methodology to unsurface and uncover how you could blend these 4 different types of AI to optimize a particular use case. I was astounded by it. And as I work with more and more of my students around this, I'm learning that the level of innovation here, we're not anywhere near close to tapping this thing out. But having a collaborative, value-centric methodology as a foundation is providing this ability to enable this innovative thinking. And I'm working with my friend Mark Strauss on a paper blog where we're going to throw some numbers out there that indicates that by focusing on the innovation side of GenAI, not the productivity side, that we think we can achieve a 3x improvement in performance when focused on innovation, not productivity. So watch this space. Whole lot more work's going to come out of the space. A lot of great stuff happening with my students, with my collaborators and cohorts at Dell. Again, watch this space. More cool stuff happening. Cheers, everybody.